Hello friends, welcome to the video number 13 for the Python 3 series. And in this video we're gonna be talking about the logical operators. In the previous video we talked about the comparison operators, right, like this. We're checking if this variable equals this value. And well, now we're gonna see how we can combine different comparisons by using the logical operators. And there are basically three logical operators. And they have an order of precedence, pretty much like the arithmetic operations. First, the not gets evaluated, then the and gets evaluated, and then the or. Right? That's the order of precedence. Um, so let's see the not first, which is probably the easiest one, because basically the not what it does is it just negates or changes the value of truth. So for example, if my evaluation is false, the not is going to return true, and well, vice versa, if the evaluation is true, then the not is going to return false. So let's see how it works. Here I am assigning four variables. These are the four values. So a equals 1, b equals 3, c equals 5, and d equals 7. So let's uncomment this. And here, well, you just need to write not. That's it. And then between your parentheses, you have your evaluation or your comparison. So a equals 1. Yeah, this is true. So the not is going to return false. And here again, well, we have a false. A is not 0. So this is false. So the not is going to return true. So I should get um, true and, sorry, false and true. Mm. And here it is, false and then true, right? So pretty easy. It just change the value or negates the value of true. Um, let's comment this again. Now let's go to the second one, that is the and well, the only way to obtain a true is if both variables or both values that we are comparing return the value of true. Anyone that has a false is going to return a false, right? False here, false here, false here. So only when the both are true, then I get a true. So let's see it in here. Keep it simple, just two comparisons. A equals 1, yeah. B equals 3, yeah. So both are true. So the and should return true. There it is. And well, again, anyone that is false, let's make this one false. It's gonna convert the expression to false. And well, here just to see that you don't need to keep it in two. You can use 3, 4, or as many values or comparisons as you need to do. In this case, I'm gonna use my four variables, and I have and. I mean, they are all ands. So Python is gonna evaluate from left to right. And well, this is true, and this is true, and c equals 5 is true, and d equals 7 is true. So all of them are true. So I get a true. And again, any one of them that becomes false is gonna turn everything to false. Um, and finally, well, we have the or, the logical or. And well, basically the only way to obtain a false with the or is if both variables, both comparisons return a false. Any one of them that is true, I am gonna get a true as a return, right, as a result. So again, let's watch first the easier example, just two comparisons, a equals 0. Well, if I put both to be, actually both are false here, b equals 3, okay, a equals 0, okay. If both of them are true, I'm gonna get true. So I just want to show you that just one of them needs to be true so that we get true. And well, of course, if both of them are false, then we get a false. And again, we can do it with more than two comparisons. So or left to right. This is false, this is false, this is false. And let's make this true. So just one of them is true. Everything then it's gonna be true. The only way is that everything is false. All of them are false. So I get a false in return. And well, finally, oh well, just one more thing. I just remember. On the not, you can actually say not true, right? Just like that, and you will get the negation, right? The opposite case. And well, you can actually combine these logical operators. In this case, I'm just gonna make this combination. We have an or, and an and, right? So let's evaluate this, see what we get, and then we're gonna try to follow it. So it tells me the evaluation is true. Okay, so let's try to see what is happening. Again, the first one, a equals 1, yep, so this is true. And b equals 3, yeah, this is true. Or c equals 5, yeah, this is true. And d equals 0, so this is false. And well, following the order of precedence, again, first we're gonna make or evaluate the ands. So true and true equals true, or true and false equals false. Now I just have the or, so true or false, again with an or. Any one of them that is true is going to make the evaluation or the final result true. So that's what we got here, right? So again, you can combine them. Just got to make sure that you are aware and following the order of precedence so that you actually get what yeah well what you are expecting, right? Or you don't get unexpected results. And well, I think that's basically it for the logical operators. Again, we combine them with comparison operators, and with this we can finally give instructions to Python. So if all of these things evaluate true, then I want you to do something, right? We can put an if statement to make the program do something, or we can put a while loop, for example, to repeat a block of code, etc. So combining these comparison operators and these logical operators, we can get a lot of power to, well, take actions over our programs. Okay, so let's leave the video right here. As always, I hope you find the video useful. Thanks all of you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And well, I hope to see you on the next video.